to make your page verified, then you should watch this video. So here I will teach you can verify your Facebook page as blue verification. You must be a public figure or something else to verify your Facebook page as an authentic person. So what do you need to do? First of all, I have opened some Facebook blue verified pages. So what things you have to include to verify your page. I type anything like gems. I'm just wrote gems. Then you will see there's a lot of profile, but we won't go for the profile. We just doing for the pages. So you just need to click pages and just choose the option verified. So as you can see, there's a lot of public figure profiles here with the blue verified page. So I will just open a page to check what they added in the about section and what is they just added in the about. So as you can see here, just click on the about section. So just click on the about section. Now you can see he just added all the things like domain name, email and a website, and all the affiliation, about, biography, awards and everything. And you must have a website to verify your page if you are an artist, writer or anything else. So how can you apply? There's a new update from Facebook side. Everyone can apply from any country. You don't need to use any VPN for applying Facebook verification. What you have to do, you just have to write Facebook verification. Just write up Facebook verification, then you will see the how do I request a verified page. You have to click on this link to request for Facebook to verify your page. Now if your account is eligible to verify, click how do I request. Then here's something not if you are eligible for the verified. So here you have to click how do I request a verified page. So click on the contact form. Now here you will say what do you want to do, profile or a page. So I'm just clicking on the page. Now you have to select a page, which page you want to verify. I'm just selecting this. Now which category does your page? If your page does not meet these categories, then you can choose the other option. Now you have to enter your country, from which country you want to apply, or from which country this page belongs. And now you have to upload of your ID card or any computerized card with the Facebook, and you have to upload it. I'm just uploading any random pic. Now they are demanding proof of public interest or imposter accounts. You have to provide the proof, like if you have Wikipedia page, if you have an Instagram page, if you have any website or Spotify others link profile to your page, then you can provide here all the links. Like here you can give your all the social media accounts, and you can write here like you can like why your profile should be verified. If you are a public figure, then you can write hello Facebook, I am Jenny, and I am artist too. Here I am writing a appeal for Facebook. So here I'm just wrote something different for appeal. Now what you have to attach in this field, just go to the Google if you have some website or something like Wikipedia page. I'm just write random words James. So here you can see James has a Wikipedia page and James link with this website, and you can see here all the albums here. So you can just copy the link and paste it here. If James have a Instagram, you just Instagram, you can link your Instagram as well and just send to the Facebook. If your account eligible for the Facebook page, then they will take time to reply. If you are not eligible for the page, then they will just send you instantly a message that they won't able to verify your page and you are not eligible to verify your page. So I just send them. Let's wait what they send me. They usually reply within a second, but now they are not replying from this. Okay, I just received a notification. Let's click on the link. So as you can see, thanks for the request to verify your account. We reviewed your account and unfortunately it's not eligible to verify it this time. When you're applying for your page, you must be a creator. Then they will take time to review and then you will receive a blue badge verification. If you need any help, you can